Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we will be doing something in the kitchen, so let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today is Thanksgiving dinner. So what I did first is I just cut up a whole loaf of bread. So there's the bread. I have an onion. I have sage. I have bacon and 2 eggs and some white sugar. So I'm just gonna get it together, and then I'm gonna stuff the turkey. Okay, so far I have cut up the bacon, cut up the onion, and I'm going to put, let's see what's in here. A half a cup of sugar. Now you can add more or less. It's all about your own taste. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. 2 eggs, and then just mix it and then add sage. Okay guys, so that was a close call. I thought it said sage and it didn't. It said allspice, but I got the ground sage now. So Saved by the Bell. And I put the eggs in, a little bit of water, and then I'm putting in the sage. And then I'm just going to mix it together and then see how it looks. And then I'm going to put it into the turkey. And again, you can add as much sage as you want. It depends on the taste for your preference. Okay guys, so now it's all mixed. That's the stuffing. That's about the color you're looking for. So now I'm just gonna put it into the turkey and then get the turkey in the oven. Okay, so here's the turkey. I've already washed it. Now for the wings, usually what I do at the back for the wings, I just tuck them underneath because it comes this way. But I just take the wing and tuck it right under so it kind of sits up. And then I just clean up all the little bits off because I've washed it. And then when my dad was here, he would eat the neck and the heart and stuff because I already took them out. I'm just going to drop them into the bottom just to add flavor. And as for the little bag that's tucked inside the liver and heart and kidneys, I'm probably going to throw those out because no one eats that here. And now I'm just going to stuff the turkey and put some spices on it. So that's the part we're at right now. Okay guys, so I put a little bit of summer savory, some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and lots of butter. This is not one of those meals that you're not going to get worried about what you're eating. So lots of butter. I did go up and underneath the skin with some butter in the front by the breast. So now we're going to put this in the oven and let it bake at around 350, 375 for a few hours, and then I might turn it down a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. So we're getting ready to put the Thanksgiving dinner turkey in the oven. So far I have the potatoes cut and waiting to be turned on. I did the turnip. It's on low simmering cooking, which takes a couple of hours. I did the sweet potatoes. They are in the oven with the turkey, and now I am working on the carrots. We're gonna have sweet carrots. And yeah, so that's as far as I've got so far. So it's gonna be yummy. The turkey is done. It looks delicious. And then over here we have potatoes, whipped potatoes. These are yam sweet potatoes, turnip, and sweet carrots. So that's dinner. It's all ready. We're gonna eat now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.